Life is not about finding yourself. Life is about creating yourself. Now I call Alia Batul from head office. So please put your hands together to welcome Alia Batul.
Yes, respected teachers and my dear fellows. The topic I have to speak on is how independent are we? Since the time I got this topic, I was thinking, what is independence? Is this creating territorial borders? Is this having our own flags and national anthems? Or is this making a separate constitution? The answer to these questions is no. Rather, independence is when the purpose for choosing to live a certain way is fulfilled. Thus, as a country, are we really independent? Are we really fulfilling the purpose of this country's existence? The answer, sadly, is that we are not a free nation. Honorable judges, I'm afraid when I listen the slogans by our nation on 14th August that we are independent. But I want to ask them as to how we are independent. Our youth, our females, our offsprings are enthusiastic to Hindu culture, Indian films and drama industry. The youth of our nation may or may not know about the six kalmas, but they surely know about the drama serial of India's channel. Today, our child may not acknowledge about any hadith, but one, they surely know the dialogues of Indian characters and songs. Remorsefully, we are following them blindly, while neglecting this fact that a lot of lives have been sacrificed by our ancestors in order to get rid of India. Dear audience, on Independence Day, the spirit of many are seen lifted, living and breathing greens. The stall, selling flags and badges on the street and roads especially designed to set the mood. Walking the parade, where many may even sing the national anthems. After a year, moreover, all television channels have monotones, logos, playing with our emotion and using the spirit of our independence to sell their products. And still we say, we are independent. Respected President, I have nothing against the celebrations. I am a patriotic Pakistani myself. But my point is, why do we only come together on one platform every year on this day alone and hold on to our differences the rest of the year? Especially when it comes to a sectarian violence, why do we get stand across one another and fearlessly turns the country into a battlefield? Thank you.